We got the antenna upgrade on the drone that we're gonna test out and see how much boost we have. Oh, that's always the case when you're doing a range test. There's a chance you lose your drone. It sucks to be me, but like I thought, the battery of the drone is empty. Luckily I came prepared with my Wi-Fi analyzer, so we have a chance. We have a small chance. Oh, taking so long, maybe I will be making a separate video about how to find your lost drone with a Wi-Fi analyzer. Yeah, I was looking at the screen, it was close to here. That's always the case when you're doing a range test. There's a chance you lose your drone. 170. Ah, 180. Still no sign of the drone. 190. Ooh, close to the end. Uh-oh. Luckily we have a solution. We have a Wi-Fi analyzer on my telephone, so we can test and see if you can pick up the Wi-Fi analyzer. Let me first stop the recording, because no drone. 200 meters. Whew. We're gonna take out the phone, and here we have a Wi-Fi analyzer. Yep. Location. It's not connected. Scanning for Wi-Fi network, so needs to scan. Hopefully it finds the drone, because visually I can't find it. I'm not seeing it. The last thing I was seeing was this little side street, this little side path to the left, to the right from the camera view. Ooh, come on drone, where are you? Make a sound. Wifi FPV 720p. That's my Eachine E58. It's connecting. Ooh, okay. So let us unlock. We can use the Wi-Fi analyzer. Checking the quality of the internet. That doesn't matter. Turn on the Wi-Fi analyzer. It's connected. Okay, 11 MBS, it was just 26 MBS, so I have to go further that way. Because the signal was stronger at that point. Let's see. If the signal network speed goes up, that means we are getting closer. That makes sense, right?
guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply.
Come on, come on. Show me something. Show me an improvement or I'm getting closer.
I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
It's all showing towards the house.
Cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain. Your secrets to my grave.
Yes,
Cause you
yes. The signal moved. Yes. Beeping goes faster, just like my heartbeat. Uh-oh. It dropped again. Oh. And now it fully dropped. Wow. Wow. Maybe because of the trees. Come on. Yes. Picking up a good signal. I don't know if this was a smart idea. Blame me. Sucks to be me. I hope it didn't go into the garden. Luckily there are not a lot of leaves, so we can see through the forest. I have a much better view. And chance of finding the drone is much bigger. Maybe this side. I know it's in this general area. Yeah, the signal is picked up. Maybe in this tree. I thought it wouldn't go so high. It would be collected by the first bushes at the edge. But the drone is somewhere else. I don't want to do this Eachine E58 again. Just refurbish it. Just bought it after I lost the first one. Doing a similar test. Man. Luckily I came prepared with my Wifi analyzer. So we have a chance. We have a small chance. No, the meter is dropping. So a guessing game. Where is this little drone? Let's go into the Yeah. The signal is improving. Ooh, losing my keys. That's not a smart idea. So, somewhere close. Keep your eyes open, guys. Tell me if you see it. What an adventure. Ooh. What an adventure. Keep my eyes open. My eyes open. I love that sound. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, taking so long, maybe I will be making a separate video about how to find your lost drone with a Wi-Fi analyzer. When the stakes are really high. Whew. Because it just dropped, it's gone. So we have to get back. So in between here and there is the drone, because we just passed it. We just passed by it. Maybe it's more to the left or to the right. I don't know. Maybe it's in this beautiful garden at this beautiful house. It just dropped again. So it's not in the garden. I hope the battery is still on. Because this can't take too long. I need to find the drone pretty quick. Because there's a storm coming. Around 4 o'clock today, the storm is coming. Oh, come on. Signal is gone. The signal is gone. I think the battery is dead. The drone is out of battery. Yeah, the Wi-Fi draws a lot of voltage. Oh my god. We were so close. We were so close. It's gone. The signal is completely gone. It sucks to be me, but like I thought, the battery of the drone is empty. It jumped back to life. Come on, baby, where are you? The strongest signal is right here. Where is it? Please, baby, show yourself. Like the meter is really strong over here. It's almost at 70. And it drops back to 80. Now it jumps back up to 70. Give me 60. Show me that I'm on the right road. Give me 60. Right here, we found it. Ooh, it is in front of the tree line, just like I expected. Like the trees will hold it, but down in the grass. But the Wi-Fi analyzer is so close, it's still only at 70. But we found it with the luck of the Wi-Fi analyzer, or else I would be looking here for hours and hours. Well guys, I really hope you like this episode. Give me please the thumbs up. We are here at the 150 and 160 mark. So this antenna upgrade really worked. If you like this episode, then please subscribe and give the video a like. And add it to a playlist, please. Thank you very much. That would be very much appreciated. This DJI signing out. Wow. Now we can fly really high and get some really nice footage. Maybe of this beautiful house. Let's try it out.